Hiya, Ben here for the Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth. Slightly different, is it maths or is it magic today? I'm going to try and read your mind. So I want you to think of a number between 1 and 50 where both digits are odd and they're not the same number. So a number between 1 and 50 where they're both odd numbers and aren't the same. Hold that number in your mind, and I reckon most of you would have said 37. And here's why it works. When you break down the numbers between 1 and 50, there's not that many options that you can have. And the majority of people will go for number 37. Try it on your mates, try it on your family, let us know if it works for you. And another way that you can read people's minds is by saying, think of a shape. Any shape you want. So like a square. But don't pick a square because I've just said a square. So think of a shape. Draw that in your mind, or you could draw it on a piece of paper. Once you've got that shape, draw another shape around it. Don't think about it too much. So you're going to draw one shape. Once you've drawn that shape, you're going to draw another shape around the outside. And most people will end up with something that looks like this. You'll obviously have a few people who pick hexagons or tetrahedrons, but for the majority of people, they're the two options that they'll get for those two tricks. Let us know if you tried it, let us know if it worked, let us know if we got it right for you, and we'll see you at the next one. Cheers!